What's up, guys? Take a look at what's happening in South Africa and Limpopo and also in Mozambique regarding the floods, which is going on from December 2025 until now. It is still happening. Many people have died and many people have displaced. Those who are able to send help, please contact those who are responsible that you can reach out to the people. This is your brother Ephraim from the Prophetic Digest, and I am bringing you the breaking Christian news, Global Reach. So take a look at what's happening, and also remember to pray for these nations. God bless you.
Para dar bocadinho.
Severe floods in Mozambique have forced thousands to flee their homes, aid workers and witnesses said on Monday. Some people were left stranded as surging waters swamped settlements. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies has been assisting with relief efforts. They say more than 620,000 people have been affected by the floods, which have caused widespread damage to homes, infrastructure and health centers. Rachel Fowler works for the organization, small fishing boats to reach survivors, but access to flood victims is becoming increasingly hard. Swaths of land have been submerged in water with only the tops of trees visible, with no immediate estimate of a death toll or number of injured. Mozambique President Daniel Chapo cancelled his trip to the World Economic Forum in Davos, saying on social media that, quote, "The absolute priority at this moment is to save lives." Scientists say the frequent weather-related disasters in the country have been exacerbated by climate change.
Gaza, kofiwa Gaza kuna sokoro helicopter yondlula ifamba ekola masivona sokwenjeka yini kofiwa Gaza mshuma real madivona tindlu leti amati lawa madletelile kwakulo masivona sokumeka yini atindlu timbimbimelile nkwatu leti Gaza kofiwa kuna sokoro.